welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Tamika, and today very small Sephora haul. If you want to see what I have in this box, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, like I was saying, I was online because September the 7th, I'm wrong about that date, please correct me, but I'm pretty sure it was September the 7th. Rihanna came out with 2 new products celebrating her 1-year anniversary. Of course, I had to take advantage of these 2 new products as I never owned any highlighters from the Rihanna collection. And I saw the videos. I was blown away by this particular highlighter. Before we get started, I just wanted to let you know my foundation shade, just in case you guys wanted to know. I am in the color 370, just for reference. I did purchase the highlighter and the lip gloss in this video twice already because I was having a little camera issues. The product is swatched already. I do have it on my lips, and I do have the highlighter on as well. Right here I have it on my brow bone and a little bit on my cupid's bow. Here is the lip gloss, and it is in the color Diamond Mink, and I do have the first lip gloss, which I love. So when this came out, I was like, it was no brainer. I was going to, you know, go ahead and purchase the lip gloss. I'm sure about the highlighter because, again, I never purchased anything other than the lip gloss and the foundations. This one really caught my eye, you guys. Here is the packaging. It does have like diamond flecks on the front of the packaging. The name of it is How Many Carats, and y'all, this packaging is what sold me. Like, I was blown away by this packaging. The Fenty Beauty highlighter. Look how pretty that packaging, and it has like flecks of diamonds all over it. I'm not sure if you can see it. You can't feel it, but it's like inside of the design of the packaging. Here on the back you have how many carats. Okay, I wanted to bring the camera a little closer so you can see the highlight, and here is the highlight in the packaging, so hopefully you can see that. Can't explain it, but it feels so buttery. Like, oh my gosh, I am rubbing my fingers around and it just feels so buttery and soft, y'all. That, and I'm going to swatch it. It's on like it's wet. Like, I can't explain it. If y'all have this, y'all know what I'm talking about. So here is the highlight of that winter white theme. Like around Christmas time, they have those winter white parties, and you throw that on all across your chest area, your shoulders, and just be shining like a diamond, honey. I see why she named it How Many Carats. I'm going to apply a little bit more, which I already have enough on, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to overdo it so y'all can see how it looks. But again, I wouldn't wear that much highlight, but like I was saying, for the sake of the video, just dabbing it with my fingers. And it actually goes on better dabbing it with your fingers, because when I used the brush, it applied on, but it didn't apply on how heavy this is. Like, look at that. Do you see that? Like, am I blinding y'all with this highlight? You guys, that is the highlighter. So now I'm gonna go moving on to my next item, which is the lip gloss. Of course, swatch it for you, and then I'm gonna also try it on. I did already have it on for the sake of the video. So here is the lip gloss right there. It's like a milky clear type of gloss, and the applicator is exactly the same as the first. It smells exactly like the first, like a really fruity type of smell. It just smells really good, you guys. Here, oh my goodness, this looks so nice. And like I said, for the sake of the video, only thing I did was put on a little bit of liner. As you can see, it's popping, like, oh my goodness. Feel the glitter on your lips or anything, but I have y'all zoomed in, and look at that. It is so pretty, and I can only imagine how it looks on top of a lipstick or something like that. Like, I can only imagine, you guys. Like I was saying, this is Miss Tamika approved. I like both of them. Both of them are really, really nice. Again, look at that highlight, look at that lip gloss. It's just like these two go together. Like, if you buy one, you gotta buy both, in my opinion. I mean, you can just get the lip gloss, but if you a highlighter freak, you have to get the highlighter as well, because it's just really, really pretty, you guys. That silver in the packaging can be a little scary, But you guys, it went on like a dream. Look at that. It's just really pretty. That's all I can say. If you have a Sephora close by, go out and swatch it and rub on it and do what you need to do, because when I tell you, it's just so pretty. So yeah, you guys, that's it. Like these types of videos, give your girl a big thumbs up, because you know that helps out my channel. Before you go, please leave down in the comment section any video ideas you would like to see from me. Girl is running low on video ideas, so I'm coming to my friends to ask what you would like to see from your girl, Miss Tamika. Also, if you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday at 4. And if you a oldie but goodie, what's up, y'all? Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and also click on that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.